Please welcome your host, Dion Taylor.
Hey guys, Dion Taylor here. In this video, I want to talk about another feature that's part of 2024 Release Wave 1, which is in preview today. This is a feature that will allow sellers to ask Copilot inside of Dynamics 365 for documents from SharePoint. A couple of things that need to happen before your sellers can start to test this is that you have to enable this in your environment. Let's take a look to see how this works and how you can enable this. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to actually enable Copilot in Dynamics 365 Sales. And as you can see, I have it enabled here in my Sales Hub because I have that set to on. Now, the other thing that you would need to do is to actually check this box here where it says try our newest preview features before they're rolled out to anyone, because that's how I actually got access to that preview. And then when you're done checking that box and selecting which apps you want Sales Copilot to be enabled for, all you have to do is click publish. Now, I already did that, so I'm not going to bore you with that. The next thing that you will need to do is now, in order to use it, is you'll go to an opportunity. And again, you can do this by clicking here on the list of opportunities and then asking for the summarization of an opportunity. Or you can just go ahead and open a new opportunity, or I should say an existing opportunity, as you see right here in this list. I'm going to open up my demo deal opportunity. And that should prompt the Copilot that's sitting here inside of Dynamics 365 to automatically get that opportunity summary. And that's exactly what it did, right? It gave me that summary here in that Copilot sidebar. But the other thing that you'll notice now is that we actually have a new prompt. And this prompt is allowing me to get product-related files. Now, the thing that you need to keep in mind is that in order to use this prompt, you will have to make sure that you actually have some opportunity products related to that opportunity, right? And if you do, you'll notice this prompt. Now, if I click on this, you will see that it's going to ask me which of those two products do you want to get related files for. So I'm going to actually select here this Get Files icon that you see over here, this little button here, to select the 27-inch patient monitor. So I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that it then enters that prompt, right? Get product-related files for the product that's called 27-inch patient monitor. Now, a couple of things that you can see here, it found two different documents, a Word document and this PowerPoint document as well. And I can actually click here to copy the link to those documents on SharePoint, because the way that this works is that Copilot is now searching on SharePoint for those files, right? It's actually, if you click here on Show All in SharePoint, let me go ahead and do that, you will also see the search parameter that was entered here in that search for SharePoint. I'm going to actually zoom in a little bit so you can see that a little bit better. And then you can see here, right, those documents that came up immediately, which was my SharePoint and my Word documents in here as well. Okay, so let's go back to Dynamics 365. Another thing that you might have noticed here is the ability to click on this copy to email button. So let me go ahead and just do that so you can see what happens. You would think that it would actually grab those documents and put those documents as an attachment to this email. I'm actually going to save this so you can see what happened here. Now, as you can see, there's no attachments, but it does actually show you the URLs, right, to wherever those files are stored. Now, keep in mind, you obviously need to make sure that whoever is receiving this email has access, right, to those documents, right? So these are the links. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, you can also see here that the regarding field has been set to the opportunity that I was just on. I really feel that this type of functionality is going to be a game changer for sellers. I mean, think about the fact that sellers are probably spending a lot of time on finding the right sales documents, right? As these might be stored in different places like OneDrive or SharePoint sites, or even in previously sent emails. Copilot for Sales is really going to make sellers a lot more productive. And I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait to see more of this type of functionality inside of Dynamics 365 Sales. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss another video again. Thanks for watching. Until next time.